just want to take a quick second and talk about this new quad that I finally got my hands on. This is the Diatone GT569. It's the MK3. It's the 7th anniversary edition. It comes in two different forms. You can get it in the 6S or 4S. This one is set up with 6S motors. They're 2207. What are these? 1750 kVs. This thing is wicked fast. I watched a video that Grayson Hobby did on it. They clocked it at 130. I don't know that I've got this one to go that fast yet, but I've only flown it like twice. I put 2 batteries through it so far. I just wanted to shoot a quick video on it. Diatone has finally hit the nail on the head. I've always liked Diatone products. They make super high quality products. Their carbon's impeccable, and it's pretty. They always make them really nice looking too. But they do a great job with the actual manufacturing of the drone. They don't always handle all that great, but they're always powerhouses. I think the first Diatone I bought was the 2017 GT, and this thing's just a rocket ship. I mean, it's just massive. These Sunny Sky motors they use on it are just incredible. I mean, it's just in a straight line, it's incredible. It's like comparing a 1970s muscle car to a Ferrari. This thing will outrun just about anything in a straight line. Just don't expect to turn. That's its biggest downfall, but other than that, I love it, and it's just gorgeous. I mean, look at that carbon. It's just beautiful. They clear coat it, so it's nice, it's pretty, it doesn't delaminate. Then I got a hold of this one, which is the 549. It came out last year. Same thing, super fast. This one handles a lot better. It's a lot lighter. It's a Stretch X version. Also, this one is in 6S. It turns way better than the 2017 model, but it's still heavy, and it's just a battery sponge. It'll kill a battery in about 1:20. But it is wicked fast, and it's fun to fly, and it handles way better than the 2017 GT. With this one, I think they finally got everything figured out. They built it lightweight. It's strong. You've got motor options. They're both fast. You've got the proven Mamba stack in it. It does have the, I believe, the new Fox Ear camera. It's got the Fox Ear lollipop. I love this drone. It's incredible. It's got really cool graphics printed onto the carbon fiber, which most of them get covered up after you put some battery pad and stuff on there. But the nice thing about Diatone that I've always appreciated is all the extras they give you. You don't just get a nice quality package. This one actually came without the canopy on it. It came with a standard carbon fiber top on it, kind of a skeletonized, lightweight carbon top. Really smooth edges. I mean, somebody took the time. They really chamfered these down really nice. You got a really nice TPU mount if you wanted to use this top. I chose to go with the canopy. And of course, you get just piles of hardware, extra straps. I mean, it's all labeled. It's beautiful. Look at all that. All individually sealed. I mean, that's one of the things that I really love about Diatone, and the price is not ridiculous. I mean, it's like, I love my Emax Hawk 5s. They're like $249. They're worth every penny. This is less than $230, and you don't get all the extras with Emax. But anyway, just wanted to go over this real quick, show everybody this. I'll throw some flight footage on it. It's pretty impressive. My flying isn't. It's just kind of a maiden voyage, but we'll throw it on there, and I'm sure I'll have more posted down the road. But thank you.
Yeah.